Hi everyone, what is a cash cow channel? How to create it? How to make money from cash cow videos? Then you are at right place. In this video you will learn a cash cow channel from A to Z, best niche selection for a cash cow channel and much more about it. So don't skip this video. A cash cow YouTube channel is a YouTube channel where you make money through videos without showing your face. It is not a way of making money, but it has been completely untapped. Success in it requires a good niche selection, above average video editing skill, good topic selection, promotion, and consistency. As I told you earlier that Cash Cow channel is a faceless channel where you make video without showing your face. There are YouTubers who teach you how to make money by making faceless videos, but they never tell you what is the actual process of making faceless videos. Here is how to create a cash cow or faceless channel. First step in creating a cash cow or faceless channel is picking a niche. The first thing you need to do is to pick a niche for your channel. Since you are most likely going to be earning revenue from Google AdSense, it would be a good idea to pick a high CPM niche. This way you can earn most money possible per 1,000 monetized view. Some high CPM niche include business, finance, marketing, technology, and legal. Second step is choosing a content style. Once you have selected your niche, your next goal should be to choose a content style. Do you want to upload top 10 countdown list videos? Or do you want to create informational commentary style video? If you are not sure what content style you would like to use, try researching the large channels in your niche and seeing how these videos are made. This can help you get an idea of what your target audience expects when you come to the presentation of videos. Third step is hiring a freelancer. Hiring freelancer is the most crucial step to cash cow strategy. Freelancer will allow you to be hands-off when operating YouTube channel, which is point of the strategy. As it was stated previously that you will need to spend money to utilize cash cow strategy. Depending on how much you have to invest, you might consider writing script yourself voiceovers. The easiest way to hire freelancer is to go to Fiverr or Upwork and give same test task to handful of freelancers. Then see which individual complete test task the best and get rid of those who did not perform the job adequately. Once a freelancer has managed to complete multiple test tasks successfully, integrate them into workflow process. But if you want to do everything by yourself, then I will advise you to learn content writing and video editing. Then you can save money because you will do everything by yourself without hiring freelancers. Cash cow or faceless channel ideas. Business news. Fresh news about business world is released daily. Knowing this, it's easy to see why creating videos about news stories in the business world could be a lucrative option for an outsourced channel. For this type of channel, you could monitor Google Trends, social media, and websites for business-related news stories. Then you could get a script writer to write a script that covers that story and offer insight using facts and opinion from posts and articles. Ideally, a YouTube channel that creates these videos should target a sub-niche. An example of this is a channel that creates videos about cryptocurrencies news or popular social media platforms. Supports facts. Another idea for faceless YouTube channel is channel about sports. The sports niche is huge on YouTube. Fans of all major sports from hockey to football consume amount of content every single day. Seeing there is demand for content in this niche, it's a great option for a cash cow channel. Since there is so much popular teams and players, you essentially have a lifetime worth of topics at your disposal. Consider covering a specific sport or specific team so you can build a niche specific audience. Another niche with highest CPM and highest revenue is technology channel. There are a lot of YouTube channels which are teaching others how to earn money from YouTube and other online resources. You can also try your luck in technology channel. People are earning a heavy amount from technology channel because advertisement at technology channel is highest paid advertisement. If you are expert in operating computer, laptop and mobile phone, then you can create technology channel. This channel is highest paying niche. My last word, you can earn a huge amount of money from Faceless YouTube channel. But remember that Faceless YouTube channel also demand hard work from you. You must be expert in content writing, video editing, and operating other tools. If you want to grow in Faceless or cash cow YouTube channel, I will recommend you to do proper keyword research and choose only those niche in which you are expert. Some of the niche which I told you people in this video are the best niche which you can also try. But again, I will advise you people that do your own research and realize your own potential. Create a channel in which you are expert, then you can be successful YouTuber in this field. How was my video? Do tell me in comment section and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.